Hi, this is Sarah Horn from UWF, and today I'm going to show you how to look for jobs on Handshake. So one way that you can find Handshake is by adding it to your favorites in My UWF, or you can also use the search bar to search for Handshake. Just type in the word Handshake and it'll pop up. Then you can click on Handshake and log in through your single sign-on. If you've logged into Handshake before, it's going to take you to the home page. From here you can click on Jobs. And this is going to show you lots and lots of jobs available on Handshake. You can use different search characteristics to find different jobs. So you can search for a keyword in the search bar, like marketing. And then you can use these other search parameters to narrow your search. You can click on location to indicate a location where you're interested in working. You can also designate a certain mile radius around that area to narrow your search parameters. You can also search by the job type, and you can click on all filters to see all of the different filters. So maybe you only want paid roles, maybe you're interested in a particular industry, or maybe you're interested in positions that would allow international students to apply. Maybe you're interested in a certain job function or a certain employer. And after you've indicated any of your search parameters, you click Show Results. It'll show you all of the various opportunities. Once you find a job that you're interested in, you can click on it on the left sidebar, and you can read the details about the position here. Click the red Apply button to submit your application materials. You can also learn about the employer by clicking here, Show Full Profile. Handshake also suggests similar jobs if you're interested in expanding your search. If you have any questions about searching for jobs on Handshake, feel free to reach out to the Office of Career Development and Community Engagement. We'd be happy to help. Good luck!